So this is our gorgeous pink Valentino bag. I wish you could feel it. It is so soft. It is just the softest leather I think I've ever felt. Okay, so it's got a double zip pull and Valentino there. It obviously got this beautiful little effect here and the tie rope handles. Come back so you can see the size of it. It's in really good condition. There's the obvious usual telltale signs in the corners, but apart from that, it's in excellent condition. The base has got 5 studs on it, beautiful base. Inside is kind of one cavernous space and then one zipped pocket, very generous size zip pocket, and a Valentino label there. It comes with a removable strap and it comes with Valentino dust bag. Really beautiful, soft pink leather handbag for the spring. I love it.